It's important that businesses have a purpose and a vision of the future. Without them, why even have a business? What's the point? Why are you here? Why do you even have employees come into work? Businesses must have a purpose if they are going to succeed in the long term. In addition, they must have a vision for where they want to go in the future so that the company knows where they are headed. And though it's not necessary for a business to share its purpose or vision, customers do like to know where a business stands on promises that they make. In this video, I will examine what makes an effective mission statement, a vision statement, and give examples of core values that businesses have. You should take time after this video to analyze where you stand on things for your business and to make some statements of your own. By doing so, you will have a clearer purpose and vision for your business's future. A mission statement is essentially a document that states the purpose of a business. It basically states to the public, this is why we are here, or this is what we do. Even our school has one of these, as I'll read to you. Our statement is, to educate students to attain superior levels of academic performance through creating a safe, supportive K-12 school community, preparing students for college and career, and striving for excellence in everything that we do. There is also a vision statement, which we'll talk about later, and that is educating learners of today, creating leaders of tomorrow. The difference between the two is simple. A mission statement will state to your customers where you are today. A vision statement will tell your customers where you want to be tomorrow. We'll talk more about the vision statements later. For now, let's focus on mission statements. When you make your mission statement, you should ask questions like the following. What do we do? Whom do we serve? How do we serve them? Rather than focusing on making money, your business should incorporate core values into its mission statement if possible. A core value is something that a company strongly believes in to their core. For example, a mom-and-pop restaurant may choose to focus on having affordable meals for all families. A fine dining restaurant may choose to use only the best ingredients available. The core values of these two businesses will also affect the type of customers it will bring through its doors. Here are some examples of mission statements from famous businesses. See for yourself what each company's purpose is and a core value it focuses on. It's important to mention that by making your mission statements as concise as possible, you will set a clear objective that does not confuse employees and customers alike. When you consider your core values, think about what type of a culture and environment you want your employees to have while you work. What commitments do you offer your customers? What impact do you want to have on your local community and the community at large? Let's look at an example of Whole Foods' core values. As you can see, Whole Foods has an emphasis on making their customers their top priority, making sure their employees are happy, and they prefer local experiences and suppliers rather than global ones. Switching gears, let's now take a look at vision statements. Like mission statements, you'll want to incorporate your core values in your statements. The difference here is you want to focus on future growth and sustainability. Vision statement questions look like this. What are our hopes and dreams? What problem are we solving for the greater good? Who and what are we inspiring to change? By focusing on a future vision, you will also incorporate the need for innovation. Change will always happen. Marcus Lemonis, CEO of Camping World, states, "If you're not evolving, you're dying." You always need to be changing your products or your systems. Let's take a look at some famous companies' vision statements for inspiration. I hope these tips have helped you get an idea of how to write your own statements and develop core values of your own. Keep up the hard work and stay fearless.